Every couple has its own set of reasons for ending their marriage. Money problems, infidelity, disagreements about children, and emotional unavailability are common reasons for divorce. Today's video is focused on adultery or infidelity and its impact on property division and child custody. Hi, my name is Peter Sayadzad, and I'm one of the attorneys here at the law office of Bryan Fagan. Let's begin by defining adultery and how it can be found in a marriage. Adultery is typically considered physical intimacy with someone other than your spouse. Adultery and infidelity cut to the core of the marital relationship and destroy whatever bonds of trust had previously existed. You can now either fix your marriage or move towards divorce. Fixing a marriage is tough, but possible. The first step is to communicate with your spouse about what has happened. Counseling or therapy could help if you and your spouse are committed to saving your marriage. However, if only one of you or neither of you wants to reconcile, the other option is divorce. In Texas, you can file for a no-fault divorce where you allege conflicts in personalities as the reason you are divorcing. When stating this, you are telling the court there is no specific reason for wanting the divorce, and you and your spouse aren't compatible enough to continue the marriage. On the other hand, you can list adultery as the fault ground for divorce. Listing down infidelity as the reason would significantly impact matters of child custody and property division, which will be discussed in this video. Adultery can show a lapse or failure in judgment that goes to the core of parenting decision-making. It has a significant impact on child custody. You can file to restrict your spouse's visitation rights if they have committed adultery. In addition to visitation rights, decisions about your child's health and schooling are considered during a divorce. If your spouse was engaged in an ongoing affair, this speaks to a serious lack of judgment and the unwillingness to put others before him or herself. However, if the adultery in question truly was a one-incident mistake, this probably will not impact how a judge issues orders in your case. Community property is the property acquired during a marriage and is generally considered to be equally owned by both spouses. In a typical divorce case, the community property is equally divided among the spouses. However, suppose the spouse committed adultery, purchased gifts for the significant other, or wasted community assets. In that case, this will be an important area to look at regarding the division of community property. On the other hand, if the adultery was a one-time occurrence and truly did not cause much harm to your community estate, then it is unlikely the adultery will be a major factor in dividing your property. Divorce caused by adultery can be a lengthy and stressful process. Having an experienced family law attorney by your side can relieve half your problems. Whether it is property division or child conservatorship, an attorney can help you determine how hard to push and in what areas to push. Contact the law office of Bryan Fagan for free charged consultations with our experienced attorneys today by calling our office at 281-810-9760. If you like this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to learn more about Texas divorce law.